All right, now the markets are back up, making back some of what was lost yesterday. Now, we had a lot of earnings last night and this morning, and surprisingly, most of the numbers came in line, from Whirlpool, Las Vegas Sands, to Hasbro, to Chipotle. Everything looks pretty good. No surprises to the downside. And revenue in most of those companies was actually up year over year. But the bad news keeps coming. And the Texas retail furniture maker, Conn's, they announced they're going to be closing all 550 stores. And that's going to be a gut punch to many people. That's going to be a lot of people laid off. And that's what I'm seeing. The layoffs, they keep coming. Now, some of these companies, they're beating their earnings. But on the flip side, they're laying off a lot of employees. Now, on that front, we had the weekly jobless claims come out, and they actually dropped by 10,000 to 235,000. Now, the continuing claims, they actually dropped also. They dropped by 9,000 to 1.851 million. And in my belief, those numbers, they're going to be going up. Most of these numbers, in my opinion, I'm not believing. Now, we had the durable goods, and they plummeted by 6.6% last month. And much of that was due to the aviation sector. Boeing. And we know Boeing, they're not bringing in the orders that they used to. And that's probably going to be weighing on that index, on that metric for some time to come. And I tell you, the headlines that's coming out, they look good. And if you're one of those guys, like the majority of the public, that's just browsing through headlines online, you're getting the impression that this economy is doing great. But once you pull back the covers and you look at some of these numbers, you realize what you're being told is a sham. And as I've said, this glue is starting to come apart, and it'll be interesting to see how long they can hold this up. Now, on the commodity front, oil's up a bit, and right now, gold and silver, they're getting pummeled. Gold is down more than $60 an ounce. In silver, that's back under $28 an ounce. And if you like buying a physical, this might be another buying opportunity. Now, we have some more big name companies reporting their earnings today, and we'll see how that fares. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.